Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing part 4 of Create a Home Security Bundle with Product Rules. So we've already created the bundle, we've already created one product rule. We're going to be going to part 4, which is creating a selection product rule. Let's go ahead and get into it. This one is going to be a little bit more fun, I think, in my opinion. We're going to create a selection rule to hide an irrelevant option. So what that essentially means is that whenever an option shouldn't be selected based on things you've already selected or things that you've already done, it will just hide the option to add that to your quote. And it'll make more sense as we get into it. So let's go ahead and jump into our org and go to product rules. And we're going to go new. This one is going to be hide installation. Type is going to be selection. Scope is going to be product. Evaluation event is on load. So whenever the quote loads, it's just not going to be an option. Let's see, we're going to check active again. Disclaimer, don't do this directly in your production org, or else things are going to be kind of screwy for a little bit. Make sure that you test everything fully, the whole deal. We're going to go all conditions must be met and click save. Alright, the next thing is we're going to just go down this related list, click new under error conditions. Tested object is on the quote object, and it'll be your partner. So, partner field does not equal a blank value. So, if your account does not have a partner, then the installation will be hidden. So let's go ahead and click save. Now the next one we're going to do is the action. So we're going to click new under action. Type is going to be hide and remove. You have to scroll down a little bit there. Under product, it's going to be home security, not console installation. And click save. Now we're going to add the configuration rule. It's going to be active, and it's going to be on the console. Alright, now this is all saved. Let's go ahead and test this out. We've been testing on the Fernando estate. So let's go ahead and look to see if they have a partner. They do not have a partner account, so it should fire. All right, we're going to quote 11. I'm going to edit lines. Add products. We're going to check the home security console and select. Home security installation is here. That is very interesting. So let's go ahead and go back here and see if this throws an error. That's always super important. To helping troubleshoot is to see if this does fire. That's really interesting. What I believe is happening here is I've used this organization before to do this when testing. So that is how you create the product rule, and it should fire, but otherwise you would get the points. So thank you for joining me for part 4 of create a home security bundle with product rules. Be sure to join me for part 5.